Hi guys! Good morning! We're here at Terminal 3, NAIA, ready to go to Singapore! I'm with Jo. Wow! First vlog appearance.
I'm shy.
What? Anyway, so nagbayad na kami ng travel tax. Unfortunately, even if nag-travel na ako noong July, hindi pa rin exempted kasi per trip daw ang pagbayad ng travel tax, which is I think is kinda why? Ayun lang. Okay, so proceed na kami sa check-in. Time check, it's 2:57 a.m. So, check-in counter opens in 3 minutes. Halika na!
For real?
Oo. 3 o'clock, diba? Let's go. Hello guys, we're back. And we just finished yung immigration, checking in our luggages, and the x-ray thingy, and we're good. We're clear!
So far, so good. We're smooth.
Yes, we're smooth. We're smooth operators. So we're going to the gate, and then hopefully eat some breakfast because I'm craving for some pancakes.
Gusto ko lang chicken alaki.
Yes. Pero feel ko wala ng McDo sa loob eh. Alam ko sa labas na ngayon, so yun natin. Anyway. Time check. Okay, ayaw. 4:49. 4:49. So, we're here at Bo's Coffee, grabbing some quick breakfast. I got blueberry cheesecake.
I got spam.
Oo. Kain muna kami ng breakfast before we head on to gate 111. Kasi Ferrari number 1.
Red Bull number 1. Oracle Red Bull.
Hello everyone. So, dito na kami sa gate. Unfortunately, rest in peace sa aking hair clip. Rest in peace sa akin hair clip kasi wala nang pag-asa. So, may masasabi ka ba, Jo?
Sometimes things are irreplaceable, pero if you have to replace it, it's a sign.
So, dahil dyan, sign daw, maghahanap tayo ng bagong clip dito sa NAIA. Kana, let's go. Hanap tayong bagong clip. Hello guys, I'm back sa kinaroroonan. Nakakadismayang sabihin na as of 5:32, walang hair clip.
15 to 20 minutes po siyang nawala. Tapos,
Sabi ka ba?
exact yung 20, mga 15 lang.
Ayun, so wala tayong nahanap na hair clip. Unfortunately. So, pupunta tayo sa Singapore na clipless.
For waiting, school is now inviting all remaining class to your coordinate
Let's go! Hello.
No mic, but face card. Don't decline. Don't?
Ayaw mag-connect ng mic. So, yeah, we're here inside the airplane. So, nandito na po yung life savings.
Dito na po nabuhos yung ibon namin.
1 year in the making. Catch flights. Okay din siya. Kala ko parang masikip. Pero, okay na. First time mag-scoot. Scoot, not Tiger Air. Scoot. So, yeah. We're here after 4 hours.
We're here.
Just landed. Singapore. Okay, proper introduction. We just reached Singapore, just landed at 10:40 a.m.
They just,
Ay, hindi.
showed an Aston Martin ad.
Ay, wow! Kailan ba ako last pumunta ng Singapore? Nag-self-reflect. I think 2018. Tama. Oo nga, no? It's been 5 years, so let's see kung ano magbabago ang ating adventure today. And yeah, so punta muna kami ng immigration. So, yun. Game!
Let's go! Singapore
We officially
Day 1.
welcome you to Singapore. Arrivals. Automated yung immigration. So, I think I'm gonna hide my camera first. And then, we'll go through it. Okay? Kuha muna kami ng baggage. Sana maalala ko kung ano yung baggage ko. Hello everyone, we just landed in Singapore. Like for the parang third time ko na sinabi yun, pero yeah, we just landed in Singapore. We got our luggages. After this, we're gonna be going to get our Singtel SIM. Kamta ko saan kukunin. Basta binili namin sa Klook. It's 100 gig for 7 days. Obviously, hindi naman kami 7 days here. But like, yeah, so yun yung ginawa namin kasi it was cheap. After nun, we're gonna go to the train. Actually, wait, I think we're going to the Jewel something fountains. And then we're gonna go to the train to get to our hotel, which is in Joo Chiat Road. I don't know if I said that right, pero we'll take you guys there. Nantay ko lang si Jo kasi 6 CR siya. The jewel. That's huge. Kita ba? O, yan na po. Kukuha na po si Jo ng tourist pass, 3-day. Oo. Pero bukas pa namin ito gagamitin. JCB o Slay.
Subukan natin tong
Gcash card si ate ko.
kung gaano ba yan ka-effective.
Oh, I think it did. Nice.
Oh, it did!
Okay guys, so medyo hassle part of traveling pala is finding how we're gonna get there. So, with the help of City Mapper ni Jo, alam namin kung paano kami pupunta sa hotel.
Yes.
We're gonna be taking a purely train route.
Yes.
Yan, way.
Yeah.
Kasi mahirap kung ilalagay ko yung mga bagay namin sa bus. So, bala na yung 15 minutes walk for the step counts. Am I right, Jo?
You know, road to
Fitness.
fitness
Okay.
first.
So, tara na. Let's go. Gutom na ako.
Looking for our
Hi guys. So, nandito na kami sa hotel. Okay naman yung room. So, twin bed kami. Ayan, twin bed. Tas, more or less very spacious naman. So, would recommend siguro kung if you guys are in a budget and you want to visit Singapore. We took a 20 minutes or more na walk from McDonald's sa... Oh, basta yun. Kanina. Hindi ko na na-video kasi sobrang hassle magtulak ng luggage. But it's part of the adventure. So, yeah. So, mag-ready kami and then we go out in an hour. So, freshen up lang and rest. Okay. 1 hour had passed. It's time to start the second half of our day. Yeah! Okay. So, pupunta kami ng Cavenagh Bridge, Merlion Park, Merlion, Marina Bay Sands, Gardens by the Bay, and hopefully dinner at Lau Pasa. Tapos hindi ko na alam kung magta-track walk pa kami after.
Hopefully, makaabot kami sa Lopasa na before 10 p.m.
Yep. Yeah, so let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! pinindot mo eh. Adventure time. Hindi na pindot ni Joy yung, yung button na stop. So, it's fine. Okay lang yan. So, yeah. So, we missed the stop. Dapat bumaba kami ng dun sa, ano pa nun? Of the treasury stop thingy. And then, sabi ko kasi pindutin na niya eh. Tapos nag-alanganin siya. So, ayun.
There was a hesitation.
Well, okay lang. Ibig sabihin nun, step count. Right?
Ibig sabihin nun, wag maging introvert.
Yes. Yung bus nga, ginawa na pang introvert eh. Ibinutin mo na lang eh. Yeah, so nandito na kami sa, more or less sa city center.
Just have to go back for mga 10-minute walk na.
10-minute walk
Road to fitness.
to go back to the station. This is the view right now from our perspective. We have these boats behind, and then there's the Marina Bay Sands right up above my head. Oh, bunny. So we're gonna go there. Joy's still taking photos. So me and Joe are walking right now to the Merlion Park and hopefully go to the Marina Bay Sands, and hopefully again may makasalubong kaming ice cream. Wow!
Sana makasalubong ko si Max.
Oh, pwede din.
Are
Ang
you
ganda
Max?
dito.
The Crow?
Ang ganda dito kasi ang init.
Alakit!
Real. Ano ba yan, Joe? Pagod ka na agad. Grabe na.
Di ba pwedeng nagtatali?
Sa sobrang bilis namin ma-distract ni Joe, nakita namin yung isang grandstand. Kaya titingnan lang namin, makikichismis lang kami kung ano makikita, pero parang mataas yung yung board up. Tapos wala kang basically makikita unless you're like on a high level. So ito yung sabi ko naka-board up. Tignan mo naman, di ba? Hindi niyo talaga makikita siya from outside. And according to Joe, it's the Orange Empress or Empress Grandstand something. So, I guess you can only hear if you're here. Pero, and I mean, like, marinig mo lang yung cars, pero wala kang makikitang action at all. Kasi, look, it's really boarded up. Oo, grabe. Te, dala mo yung barricade niya.
Wala
oh.
kang makikita.
Wala talaga.
Ni isa.
Tingnan mo. Oh, tingnan natin dito. Pwede ba dumaan dito? Gate 4. Di ba dapat dito tayo papasok?
Empress.
Di ba? Parang dito rin ata tayo papasok. I forgot. Ooh. Formula 1. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Hello to our lovely viewers. Ito yung tunay na Cabana Bridge. Huwag kayo maniwala sa sinabi ko kanina. I didn't know any better. Ito yun. Yes. So we know now. This is the bridge. Okay. We're gonna do something crazy. Pumasok kami sa staff gate. Ano kayo makikita? Ay, pwede ka naman palang pumasok eh. We are inside. Yun na. Why does it feel like parang nag-break in tayo dun sa circuit nang hindi naman pwede pumasok talaga? Pero pumasok kami. Hindi ko alam kung anong seat to, pero yeah. I think this is the Orange Empress kasi may orange eh. So, I mean, let's be real. Okay, so hindi ko sure kung pwede pa rin kami dumaan dito. pero
Dito na kami.
nandito na kami.
So might as well.
Oo. Kung may magsita, sige lang. Pero hindi talaga namin alam kung pwede kami dumaan dito.
Detour malala.
So, nandito kami sa tunnel. This tunnel is supposedly leading to the Padang stage, which is kung saan yung performances tomorrow. Yeah, so tingnan natin kung naman kita on the other side. Ito yung, lumabas na kami sa Ito yung itsura nung O, di ba pag ganyan, syempre magdududa ako kung pwede ka talaga pumasok. Lalo na hindi pa rin sisimula.
Lalo na pag doon sa entrance nakasabi, staff entrance.
Staff entrance, pero pumasok kami. So, hindi na naman namin alam saan kami pupunta, pero I think ito na yung way papuntang Merlion kasi nakikita ko na yung Esplanade from here. There's just this understore.
bahay. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami papunta. Weirdly enough, the detour did us right.
Yes.
Very, very right.
Thank you, staff entrance.
Thank you, thank you for not being a spoil for us today.
Yep.
Tama
Yep.
yung naging route namin.
Yep. Okay, naiwan ko si Jo, pero malapit ako sa Merlion. It's right, actually, let me just flip the camera. Ayan, it's right there. I'm just waiting for Jo, who's behind me. She's still taking photos eh. So, ayun, si Jo. Mostly. Nakakatawa naman si Kuya. At dahil uhaw na ang mga sisi nyo, bibili na kami ng soup drinks.
Sorry.
Okay guys, sabi na ako ng Coke. Let's open up. Kasi ang init. Yes, I really chose Coke over water. So, I think it's $1.06. Ah! Hindi ko mabuksan. Hindi ko mabuksan.
I got Milo. Demo ko guys.
May laba Joanna. Uy, oh, grabe, nanginginig pa eh. Salamat. Cheers.
Milo.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow. Look at that. Okay. So, after long walks to get, yes, sobrang, ngayon nakapasok kami sa Marina Bay Sands and this is what it looks like inside. Not sure if accurate kasi nasa Tower 3 kami and we're looking for Tower 1. So, ito. Yep. Okay, guys, we found it. Oh, it's Carlos Sainz's car. Wow.
Okay.
We go to Marina Bay Sands. Train na lang kami kasi pagod na kami maglakad. Let's go. Hello everyone. So, nandito na kami sa Gardens by today. Maghahanap na kami ng food because we're like so tired and hungry. It's already 6:43.
We're exhausted.
And, wala, it's been a really long day. So yeah, let's go find some food. Hi guys. So, it's pretty noisy out here right now. Hoy Jo, sumali ka. Ayan. So, we ordered
Chicken sambal rice. Good. Very good.
and then ako, nabudol ako ng Turkish and Indian food. So we got naan and chicken kebab biryani. Woohoo! Sarap. I'm excited to eat. Let's go. Wow. Wow, look, nasa first floor kami and this is what the view looks like. And not to mention, look at Marina Bay Sands' color right now. It's giving Ferrari.
To let all of you know, if you want to
Nabulol yung video kasi yung travel card ko, pang train and MRT, nahulog.